Hey guys, it's Gio Negretti again, but I'm not gonna be playing this time. My little brother, Angelo Negretti. If you can't see him because it's in the darkness. But so he's a 4-year-old, and he's really good at the Fappy Crush. And so after he's done playing, me and Trichet will be playing some games. So he's gonna give about 4 minutes of playing the game.
Oh, damn.
Don't let him get through there, Angelo. Why do they even want to go through the thing?
If they know they're gonna die, so.
Don't they see the freaking thing chopping them?
Okay.
Good job.
No, I want to do it again.
It's already been a minute. Okay, so
It's called.
Um,
Actually, forgot.
it's gonna be mentally hospital, and we're gonna be playing now. Okay.
Mental hospital.
Okay, here we go. Angelo, move. Let's get over. Shay, sit down low. Sit down low. Like, scoot down. Like this. Like, lay down. Okay. Good. Okay. Okay. This is our first time playing this, so don't say that we suck out like the pros out there. This is scary.
Is it really scary?
Oh, what the? I don't think we can play. Whoopsies.
I don't play that. Okay.
Back. What the heck?
I can't play that.
Wait, what is it taking it to us? Wait. Investigation.
I already clicked it. Oh. Chapter 1.
Okay, so we're at chapter 1.
Waiting.
Okay. Where is this place?
We're driving somewhere.
Are we in a train?
No, we're driving.
In what? In what, Jay? Okay.
Mental something. What does it say? Mental what?
Hospital.
It seems like it's saying mental hospital. Are you walking this one?
Yes.
This is kind of similar to Eyes of Horror. Yeah.
What happened here?
Sun comes out.
Whatever.
Money. I don't want to eat that money. Don't see me like a horse. Horse. Don't want to eat that money. Don't see me like a horse. Don't want to eat that money. Don't see me like a horse. Don't want to eat that money. Don't see me like a horse. Don't want to eat that money. Don't see me like a horse. Yeah. Where are we now?
I don't really know what I meant, but I'm awesome.
Guys, we've made about 12 videos, right?
I think.
Yeah, we made now this is going to be our 13th video. So this is like our first year making videos.
I have no clue where I'm supposed to go. Honestly.
Yeah, it's just like weird. I don't think you're even going to get killed, are you? Think we're even gonna get through. What the heck was that? See that in the corner?
What am I supposed to do?
Amazing. What does it say? Read it to us. Read it to us.
Okay. Jockey, it used drunk again and lost the door keys. Do not lock. Look. Wait, not.
Wait, I
look.
think we can see. I think we can see it. If you look closer. Nope, can't. So that's
I
it.
can't really see it anymore.
Okay.
Whatever. Who cares about it?
Who cares?
Come on, get this out of my face. I need to go start the car or something. Where are the keys at? It says I need keys. I don't know where keys are. So.
He had keys. How's he driving again?
Keys, where are you, dude? Keys, I need you.
Maybe you got drunk and lost them.
No, this was in my car. Keys, are you on the ground, Key? Key, where are you? Good damn. Says I have to look for the keys or whatever. Something about keys. I don't know where he lost them. Dude, where'd you lose your keys?
Who cares? Well, you freaking kids just hotwire the car. Dummy. Right? Just hotwire the car. Gosh, dummy. Dummy.
Dude, look.
That's his car. That looks like an army truck.
Yeah, it does.
They can open the door. Just hotwire it.
Oh, I don't even know how I can get in.
How is he gonna even get in anyway, right? Like this,
The heck is this thing? Get out on the ground. Gosh dang.
Why did it get silent?
I don't know, but
Oh no. Why is it all like green?
because I put on the green screen so I can see it more better.
Take the green screen off.
Well, I can't see.
Oh my gosh. Not even the screen can see. And now you want it.
Wait, I found something. Okay, guys.
Guys, this is taking a long
Wait,
time.
my camera.
Guys, he's gonna take a long time, so we'll just finish it and we'll just
Wait.
Wait, not yet.
Keys, where are you? Good dang. Okay, guys, we are not actually gonna play this game anymore because
Yeah, we're gonna play it, but just we're gonna like skip through it. So, okay.
hey guys.
Okay, we're back, and we finished it. Okay.
We actually found the key.
Yeah.
I forgot where it was. It was like 2 days ago. So.
Yeah. So we're on chapter 2, and so see you in the next video. Okay.
Looks like we